Huh?
We don't hear anything from him. The kids, they're all gone. Like, no, Tommy, listen. Good morning, guys. Another thunderstorm later afternoon. Ay, nako. Really nice outside. Hi, Hubs. Good morning. He slept with me the whole night, guys. Right, Bug? You with me the whole night, Bug? Hi, Dimps. Dimple. Come here, Dimps. Hi. Gagawa na lang ako ng pancake, guys. Again, we don't have pancake for like, I think a week. 2 weeks. I think a week already. We don't eat pancake. I just feed the dog and they eat. Today's Thursday. And plano ng asawa ko punta dito. Sana punta siya dito early. Matatanggal lang siya kapag pinupul ko ito. Look. Ito yung gusto ko. Walang kahirap-hirap sa buhay. Got this, guys, for the drawer under to not, to put the stuff. I added para hindi na siya gumagalaw itong tray. Nandito ako, guys, sa garage. Because I'm going to the front house. Let's see, it's coming. Oh, I can't open the garage. Hindi ko ma-open yung garage, guys. I'm gonna go outside to clean up the thing because I can't find my samurai. It's right here. This one right here. Ito, maraming nakaano dito para ito sa sasakyan at saka sa gardening. Nagmi-mix na dito. Dapat doon ito sa yung mga pang-gardening. Doon sa, alam nyo na, yung sa, ano ba yung guys? Doon na parang may bahay-bahay na maliit. Sa Pilipinas pa yan, bahay na talaga yan, guys. Ano lang yan, guys, para dampuan ng mga gamit. And you can put a lot of stuff over there like gardening tools and stuff like that, and extra anything. That shade over there, that little house, I told my husband, that house is really good already. If that's in the Philippines, that's the best house already. So dadalhin ko kayo sa labas at saka doon na tayo magkita-kita, huh? Kasi tignan ko lang kung tama ba to. Ito yung anuhin ko dito, guys. Dapat linisin ko to kasi ang pangit naman ay hindi gawa. So, marami naman siyang bato. There's a lot of rocks. See? Linisin ko lang to at saka kita-kits mamaya. Stormy. Okay. Ito. Okay, I posted on my private Facebook account. I asked about this one. I don't know, this one is really bushy. I really want to cut this rose though. Too much. So ugly. This one I cut it already and that's why they're little. But there's so many dead thing, look. So I'm gonna pull this out because this is not that thing. So I'm gonna pull it. You know, maraming mga abubot na nakaabubot. nakaabubot na, nakaabubat. And this one right here. Oh, look. Nagbubunga na siya, guys. Look, this one right here too. Oh my God. I hope I won't hurt myself. Ito, maraming mga hindi dapat nakaano dito. Sila, guys. Kasi lumalaki na yung mga lumalaki na to, mga lumalaki. This one right here. I was down there. Tignan nyo, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Ang ganda naman ito. Purple. Purple ang color niya. Look. Inano ko lang to. I-arrange ko itong mga rocks. I-arrange ko lang sila. Para naman hindi pangit tignan. I-arrange ko sila dyan. Dito. Kunin ko tong mga rocks at lagyan ng soil at lagyan ng bulak. Ayan. Magagamit ko yung mga rocks na yan until dito siya. Bato-bato na dyan. Kunin ko to sila. Hindi pa tapos na eh. Okay. May naka-joey na naman. May tumutubo pa rin kahit nakalagyan na ng ano, yung material. Ay nako, tumutubo pa rin. Ay nako. Iba talaga, no? Tumutubo pa rin sila, guys. Yung grass, guys. Tammy and I planted grass here and to kill the dandelion. It's not so much dandelion. You can see few of them. But look, so green eh. I like our yard, guys. This is our front yard. Tignan nyo. Oh, nakikita nyo yun, guys. Nakikita nyo yung different doon. The end of the driveway. Hold on. Nakikita nyo yun, mas green doon. Mas sobrang green. Kasi with Tammy and I tasting. He doesn't even see me. Let's see. He doesn't even see me. He doesn't even see me. He's gonna go inside. I'm gonna go inside with him. Han! No, you can't, oh! So, tapos na ito. Ginamit ko to, guys. Tapos na. But this one, we use this for a lot of times, though. The garage. Wow, that's kinda nice looking. You can put Roxy's face in here and squirt Roxy's. What? Look at the clouds. Tignan niyo yung clouds.
It says you'll see results in 3 hours and it becomes waterproof in 10 minutes.
What do you mean by waterproof?
So if it rains 10 minutes later, it won't wash it away.
Oh, nice. Okay, then I will spray that now. Seeds and grass. Okay. How come the same thing?
See this? Push this up. And then.
Yeah, I can see it close and all.
Right, yeah. That locks the battery.
Yeah.
See the sun she likes.
Huh?
Like a roaring ocean, slowing motion. Lay down your troubled mind. We are only kind and will kindly see.
Hi guys, I just come in from outside. I was doing live outside, guys, and some of my viewers, hi guys, if you watch this video, thank you guys for informing me about the gunshots in World Casino World. I think that was in World Casino. Yeah, in Manila. And oh my god, it's just, I kind of just like distracted. And I went, after I do live, guys, I went here in YouTube, and everything is seen in news here in the US is doing the news about that gunfire in Casino World Casino in Manila. It's the end of the world, guys. So thank you guys for letting me know, because I don't have any idea, because I was cleaning in my front porch. I was cleaning, and then Tommy get in here, and then we sat down, and I asked him to help me to spray the weeds and the grasses to kill it, and because you know, and then I decided to do live. And na ano ako guys, na nervous ako guys kung anong mangyari, kasi marami tayong pamilya doon, na kahit nasaan yung pamilya natin, mga katag-katag ba, malaki yung pamilya ko guys, at saka sa side ng papa ko, at saka sa side ng mama ko, may sa Cebu, may sa Manila, may sa papa ko, may sa Manila, sa mama ko sa Cebu, at sa Luzon, sa Visayas, at saka sa Mindanao. Yung hindi natin alam, no, kasi guys, I have a cousin that we can't find until now, and that's out of about the ISIS kind of thing. It's we can't contact him after that Undoy ba yun? No, not Undoy. After that Bacolod ba yun guys, yung typhoon na malakas yun. After that, there's thousands of people died in there. Tacloban, and yeah, so there's so many people died in that one, right? And one of my cousin went over there and get married and have kids, and until now we don't hear anything from him. The kids, they're all gone, like, you know. And then now it's about this thing, about this ISIS thing, you know. We have scattered, I have a family that is scattered everywhere. Masakit yung ulo ko guys, binigyan ako ng margarita ng asawa ko, sumakit yung ulo ko, ibuhag-hag ko lang itong buhok ko. The dinner thing, we're gonna eat steak, so I'm gonna deposit steak before I forget. Kunin ko lang yung steak sa basement, kasi may Tommy mention about, somebody asked what we're gonna have for dinner. Jason Dampier something, and he says steak, so that means he wants steak. So while we have grill, so I'm gonna get the steak from the basement. In his mind, he wants steak, so I'm just gonna defrost the steak right now. I have one here. I'll put this right here. Water over there. It's a good one. This is beef rib steak, bone in giant size. This is not a T-bone steak, but there is, no, it's not a T-bone. I love T-bone steak, but this is not a T-bone steak. I don't even finish doing my garden. Yes, I'm talking to the camera. I can't find, I can't find the other one. I know I have one left.
Here.
Did you find it?
It's in here.
Yeah, but I can't find it.
Is that all steak is?
There is another one over there, but
So you guys keep steak. I don't know what chicken. We'll have chicken. Throw the chicken on.
No, I don't want chicken.
Okay.
Where is the other one? I know where there is one. One in the bag.
Maybe we brought it downstairs when we make a room here.
No, I did put out them. I just went down there. Oh. Stand from what?
That's why I left it lying like this until it dried, and then I put it over here.
Holy cow.
Because it would be able to tie all the time. You just wipe off paint, not so much.
Oh my G. I tilted it. I guess I have to, how do you call that? Tommy is cleaning up the grill already. Sarap nito. Dito. Sarap. Sarap magmuni-muni. Patingin ko lang sa inyo, guys. Ito. This is last year. Katulad nung last year, nililinis ko lang siya. Yun. I plan to get these rocks and put it somewhere here. Oh, may tumutubo na, guys. Look, oh. Tumutubo na sila. Kausa na lang. Ito. This is a poison oak. Tommy told me this is an oak poison ivy. Ito poison ivy to, guys. Yung sa malaking flowers namin dito, bushes. Tumutubo siya from under. At saka na hindi namin makuha. Wag nating itatouch. Yeah, that's a poison ivy. Tommy told me. So yun, nililinis ko lang sila dito. Malinis na siya, guys. Malinis na siya. Tapusin ko to bukas. Yep. What are you doing? Look, it's still very shiny in here. Yeah. Right here is very blah. Over here is really nice. Right here is blah. No, don't do it yet.
Well, I'm gonna cut them.
No, Tommy, listen. If you cut it now, it will cook different. So you cook it halfway. You cook it the way you cook it, Tommy, and then you
want to cut it after and then put it back on? You know that?
The half, yes. Okay. Because or else it's gonna cook the other half, and then whoever eat it, you guys like bloody.
Well, I just figured you do it like 4 separate steaks.
No,
cut
not
it in half and do it like 4 separate steaks.
No, not yet. You do it later. That if you want to eat rare, then that's how you do it.
Wait till that's on.
Oh.
It is really bright and sunny.
That baby is ruling that house, boy.
Why you cut it now over here?
Because these are just about done. Look at that. That's perfect.
Oh. Hi, mates.
Oh, you're not getting to her. You didn't get to her this time.
I'm gonna put the food out. Macaroni and macarona. They have to eat macaroni. Me, I'm gonna eat rice. That's what.
You eat it outside on the porch or you eat it here?
We're gonna eat here.
Here?
It's up to you, hon. Okay, we can eat over there. My mouth has been itching, guys. Around here, you see it red? Itching. Dito din, no? Somebody's crying on the stairs. What? You can't go up there. Come down here. Come down here. Down. Come here, down here. I know. What can I tell you? Down here. Come here, yes. That's a good boy. That's a good boy and good girl. Where you think you're going, Bob? Where you think you're going, Bob? Miss Tino leaking. Hey guys, we're going to bed. Okay, my sister-in-law. Yes. Hi guys, good evening. Yeah, so I'm gonna end this vlog now, guys. I'm gonna just lie down in here and I'm just sleep with this big pillow. And yeah, I'm just gonna reply my sister-in-law, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Look at the bug. Hubs, come here, Hubs. Roxy's on the stairs too. Roxy wanna come up here. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Lamig ba? Guys, family like it so much. I'm gonna make another one. Guys.